Windows installation. Miami is a crucial service for homeowners and businesses seeking to enhance their properties with high-quality windows. Miami window replacement services are essential for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your windows, ensuring they withstand the test of time. Hurricane windows. Miami are specifically designed to protect your home from the severe weather conditions common in Miami, Florida. Impact windows. Miami offer an additional layer of security and durability, making them a popular choice for residents in hurricane-prone areas. Window replacement. Miami is a service that can significantly improve the energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal of your home. Custom windows. Miami provide a unique opportunity to tailor your windows to your specific design preferences and functional needs. Energy-efficient windows. Miami are an excellent investment for reducing energy costs and enhancing indoor comfort. Residential windows. Miami cater to the specific needs of homeowners, offering a wide range of styles and materials. Commercial windows. Miami are designed to meet the demands of businesses, providing durability and style. Window tinting. Miami is a popular service that offers privacy, UV protection, and energy savings. Window cleaning. Miami is essential for maintaining the appearance and clarity of your windows, ensuring they look their best. Window maintenance. Miami is crucial for prolonging the lifespan of your windows and preventing costly replacements. Window glazing. Miami is a specialized service that enhances the insulation and soundproofing of your windows. Window sealing. Miami is vital for preventing air and water leaks, ensuring your home remains comfortable and energy efficient. Window caulking. Miami is a professional service that addresses gaps and cracks, providing a seamless finish. Window frame replacement. Miami is necessary for addressing damage and wear, ensuring the structural integrity of your windows. Window screen replacement. Miami is a service that restores the functionality of your window screens, keeping pests out while allowing fresh air in. Window hardware. Miami includes a variety of components that enhance the operation and security of your windows. Window glass replacement. Miami is essential for addressing cracks and breaks, restoring the clarity and safety of your windows. Window design. Miami offers innovative solutions to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home. Window consultation. Miami provides expert advice and guidance on selecting the best windows for your needs. Window installation services. Miami are performed by skilled professionals who ensure a seamless and efficient process. Window contractors. Miami are licensed and experienced, offering reliable services for all your window needs. Window companies. Miami provide a comprehensive range of products and services, catering to both residential and commercial clients. Window solutions. Miami offer a variety of options to meet the diverse needs of homeowners and businesses. The best window installation services in Miami, Florida are known for their quality workmanship and customer satisfaction. Affordable window replacement. Miami FL provides cost-effective solutions for maintaining and restoring your windows. Top-rated hurricane windows. Miami, Florida are designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, offering peace of mind to residents. Impact-resistant windows. Miami FL provides superior protection against storms and intruders, making them a wise investment. Window replacement experts. Miami, Florida offer professional services to upgrade your windows, enhancing your home's value and efficiency. Custom window solutions. Miami FL allow for personalized designs that reflect your style and preferences.